Hey everyone, it's Sarah, and welcome back to Wondershare Filmy's YouTube channel. Are you wondering about what ideas to do on Instagram in 2021? It's a good question to ask, and we've compiled together a list of Instagram story ideas that you can use for 2021 to make your stories fun and engaging. This list is in no particular order and it's not comprehensive. That being said, we think this list is a really great starting point for you to be creative in your Instagram stories. So let's dive in. First, let us start with how you can create an Instagram story that looks really good with images or footage that you have of your everyday life. Wondershare Filmy's vertical templates can help your Insta stories stand out and help you save time. These templates are amazing. They allow your footage to be analyzed, your top moments to be highlighted, and your clips to be trimmed effortlessly. This makes a simple introduction story about you actually come to life because you can use different themes or filters that are chosen by simply the template you decide to use. Our second idea is to try featuring other people. So you can give a shout out to someone or even feature them in your stories or even reach out to them and ask them to do a takeover on your story. This is an amazing way to engage your audience and bring something new to your Instagram stories. Thirdly, everyone loves seeing a behind the scenes or a day in the life. People are really interested to know about other people. They're excited to see what's happening in their lives or if there's anything exciting coming up. So take a snippet of what your day is looking like and what is happening in your world currently. A fourth idea we have is to try a poll or a Q&A with your audience. You can ask who their favorite singer is or what they like to put on their playlist. Or you can even ask what their favorite meal is, or the age-old debate of, does pineapple actually belong on pizza? Engage with the questions that people ask you. This can be a really great way to engage more with your audience and help them know you on a deeper level. Another one of my favorites is travel stories, because there are no limits on what you can add to your stories. From bopping along to your favorite songs in the car or on the way to taking off in the airplane, to the amazing people along the way that make your trip special. Share the wonderful culture, scenery, and flavors of this world by bringing others on this journey with you. There are quite a few templates that are actually designed for travel in Wondershare Filmy. And the best part is, you don't actually have to go through all your footage and find the best moment in your travel. Filmy Smart templates will actually do it for you. These were 5 Instagram story ideas that we wanted to share with you. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe and comment down below any hacks that you have. Until next time, see ya!